So since 1947, Nehruvian socialism has seen to it that the dominant thinking in this country is utterly suppressed because they want to kill it off, right? That's the whole point of the laws that they make. And how do we assert this? Because of the data that we have. We know that Nehru was a member of the Fabian Society in Great Britain. So Fabian Society wanted to bring socialism in 1945 to Great Britain. So when he came to India, he brought in this ideology wholesale. And what does this ideology say? The past is primitive. You have to throw away the past if you want a classless society. So those are the kind of things Nehru came about. And his daughter, Indira Gandhi, she made a pact in 1972 for political survival. She made a pact with the communists. The communists only wanted HRD sector. Why HRD? Because you can control minds of the youngsters like yourself. You can control that through indoctrination, right? So they only wanted HRD sector. That was a pound of flesh. That's all they wanted. Narul Hasan was appointed in 1972. He created, controlled this entire ecosystem of socialist Marxist education. All these bodies that you see here, JNU, AMU, Patna University, ICSSR, National Book Trust, all of these things are set up by the communists, the Marxists over here. And if you had to be a vice chancellor or get a grant from them, you had to be a card-carrying communist, or you had to be a socialist or leftist kind of ideology. Only such people are preferred. So in 50 years, they have erased the emic practitioner, emic meaning internal practitioner, the Sanskrit scholar, the person who's living this civilization, understands the value. He has been sidelined completely out of the ecosystem in 50 years. There is no university in India today where you go where you'll find a traditional scholar or such things. Of course, today there are new Sanskrit universities coming up the last few years. But prior to that, this is the kind of damage that was done by the Marxists in India.